What's going on, guys? It's Mark from Finish Mobile Detailing, back in another video, and today I want to show you guys how to clean wheels, especially this BMW M3 right here. This BMW is notorious for brake dust, and we're going to be doing a product review on an iron remover versus an acidic wheel cleaner. Now let's get to the video. All right, guys, so we're at the first wheel right now. We're going to be doing that acidic wheel cleaner first. So as you see, these wheels have a lot of Armor All on the tire. I'm going to get my brush right here. I'm going to show you guys how much Armor All there is. So just like that, you have caked up tires. One thing I hate about when people take it other places, they use Armor All to make it look shiny and they never clean a tire properly. So what we're going to be doing today is rinsing on the wheel first. Let's get to it. So I'm going to be using ADS wheel cleaner. This one's diluted 1:1 just to knock down all that grit and all that Armor All on the surface of the tire. So I just filled it up. Now let's get to spraying it. And surprisingly, this tire cleaner takes majority of that silicone off the tire. So I'm gonna show you guys what it does. I'm gonna get my tire brush. And now we're gonna be agitating the wheel. So after I'm done agitating the wheel, now let's rinse it down. Now let's do the test. Let's do the test to see if there's any more Armor All on it. And just like that, that tire cleaner removed around 90% of the Armor All off the tire just with one pass. So next thing we're gonna do is get our acidic wheel cleaner. And how I like to do it is spray the wheel first. All right, so if you guys have been detailing for a while, the acidic wheel cleaners tend to mess up your nozzles. So let's prime it up. Now let's spray it down. So I like to just spray the wheel down with the acidic wheel cleaner first. Let it sit for around like 10 seconds. I'm gonna rinse it down. And now ideally, it knocked around 80 to 90% of the brake dust just by doing that. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is spray it down again. Now it's time for my contact. And one thing about cleaning wheels, you always got to spray a lot on the top because whatever comes up must come down. And sometimes it comes down fast and the product doesn't let it dwell or sit on the top. Then usually you miss the area. I'm gonna get my wheel willy brush and agitate the face of the wheel. It's just like a light passing. It's not to get everything. Now after when I'm done hitting with my wheel willy face brush, now I'm gonna get my mitt from Max Shine. And now I'm gonna come through and agitate the inner face of the wheel. And this is an important step to having clean wheels because a lot of people may know when you clean these wheels and then you drive off and you see the other side of the wheel, you're like, damn, I didn't hit it. This tool right here helps prevent that issue. And now we're just agitating it. And I also like to go in back of the spokes because the brush is not gonna hit it. After that, I'm gonna get my easy wheel brush right here and agitate the barrel. And a trick to having wheels that have lubrication, especially acid doesn't have no lubrication at all. I like to put like 2 ounces or 1 ounce in my bucket just to have some lubrication of any soap. It doesn't really matter what soap you use. Now I'm gonna come through and rinse it down. And just like that, we knocked down all that brake dust and all that grime on the tires in a couple of seconds. Ideally, well, a couple of minutes. Ideally, it takes me about like a minute to a minute and a half to clean each wheel. So if you guys build a system, you know how the products are gonna work, you're gonna become faster and faster. I read in the comments a lot of times people say they take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes per wheel. And this is why we make these videos to educate people to know how to use these products. So the acid wheel cleaner is a great wheel cleaner, but you can't use it for every wheel. We have a wheel that we just did. It's a BBS wheel. You cannot use acidic wheel cleaners. You can't even use the degreaser on that wheel because it's going to stain it. So you want to make sure to how to use these chemicals. So ideal, like I said, to clean the majority of the wheel. For other sensitive wheels, I wouldn't be using acid because, like I said, you can do a lot of damage with acid and degreasers if you don't use them properly. Now let's get to showing you guys that iron remover. All right, guys, so this is the acidic wheel cleaner side. As you see, everything's pretty much clean. I have no issues with brake dust whatsoever. The cool thing about the acidic wheel cleaner and the brake calipers, if there's any brake dust or anything like that, it removes it pretty fast and efficiently. And also in the little areas and the lug nuts, it gets off effortlessly. A lot of the chemical, it does this work for itself. I want to show you guys right here. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about the acidic wheel cleaner? All right, now we're on to the next wheel. I flipped the car around because usually the front tires usually get all the brake dust and all the kick up. So I wanted to give you a good comparison. So now let's rinse down the wheel. Now the next thing to do is spray the iron remover. You want to hit the whole area. You don't want to miss a spot. So we're just spraying it, getting everything covered in, especially the top part. And when you're using an iron remover, a little bit more oomph gets into the wheel cleaning. Like you have to get to the brushes and everything like that. With the acidic wheel cleaner, it's pretty straightforward and efficient. But with these iron movers, you have to kind of rely on the chemical, but then also the agitation process is key as well. So we're gonna come through and spray our tire to be efficient, so we just don't sit here. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite tire cleaner? My favorite tire cleaner right now is this one from ADS. Also, CleanTech has a great tire cleaner as well. But this one just melts off the Armor All pretty easy. You know, like the heavy silicone base dressing. So I'm gonna come through and agitate my tire. And we gotta scrub that tire pretty good. After I'm done scrubbing the tire, I'm gonna let the chemical sit for a little bit. I used to like Wise Guy from Shine Supply, but they changed the formula. So ever since they changed the formula, I'm not a big fan. So I went to CleanTech. I'm not a big fan of other wheel cleaners out there. I know our tire cleaners. I like the Mag wheel cleaner, but if you use it on the wheels, you gotta be careful because it could cause staining, which with any other chemical. But right now I feel like ADS is a great wheel cleaner, or a tire cleaner in a sense. For this wheel cleaner right here, we're gonna see what it is, but drop it down in the comments below. What do you guys use for your tire or wheel cleaners? I'd love to hear in the comments down below. So after when I'm done spraying it and letting it sit, I like to let it sit because I don't want to have all that kick up come to my face, and also it's a pre-wash, so I feel like we're going to do all the heavy lifting by just spraying it, letting it sit, and then we're going to come through and rinse it down. So I can tell you right off the bat, it left a lot of brake dust behind. It knocked down like 50% of the brake dust just with the iron mover. Not bad for an iron mover or wheel cleaner, if you will. So like that. With that being said, I'm gonna come through and spray it again. I'm gonna spray it, make sure I hit everything, and then we're gonna come through with our contact. The reason why iron removers might be key to you guys, because if you're working on BBSs or like a car like a Porsche GT3 RS, those ionized center caps, you can't get acid on those because you could ruin them. So you got to be super careful on what wheels to clean and how to clean them, especially the greasers too. It could cause staining, so you got to make sure on what chemicals to use. This is why we make these videos, because to educate people. And now I'm gonna get my easy wheel brush and come through and hit the barrel. Usually the barrel is the worst part. Sometimes a lot of people skip the barrel. I notice when a lot of people take their cars to the gas stations, they get the center face cleaned or the car wash stations, they only just clean the face of the wheel because they never want to do this kind of work. So after we're done hitting the barrel, now I'm gonna come through with my mitt right here and get all the areas, all the tight nooks and crannies. And this is super key to having one of these. So make sure you guys have something like this, or you could, if you don't have anything like this, you grab a microfiber towel and just twist it around your fingers and go through and hit all the areas. But what are your top acidic wheel cleaners, and what are your top 3 favorite iron movers? They both have benefits. So for the acidic wheel cleaner, you could dilute it down to be a water spot remover, a wheel cleaner, and you know, it's just very versatile, especially on wheels that are super bad. Like for instance, when I first started off, my first wheel cleaner was Chemical Guys Diablo wheel gel. That wheel gel, yeah, I feel like that set me up for failure, man, especially on the wheels that I was doing. I was doing some like really bad wheels. And after, when I was trying to agitate them, dude, it took me about like 30 minutes per wheel. And I was just detailing these things, man, just because I didn't know what chemical to use. I didn't know anything about acid. I didn't know anything about wheel cleaners. I was scared of the word acid when I learned about acid because I felt like it was just going to destroy the wheel. But yeah, it can destroy the wheel if you don't use it properly, and if you're not using it, if you're using it on wheels that you can't really use acid, yeah, you're going to destroy it. But a lot of young guys out there are really scared of acid, and a lot of older guys are not scared of acid. And you see like the old guys that, you know, the local guy, not to knock them, but that charges $20 and sprays acid everywhere on the wheel. Over time, if you do use acid consistently, you can damage a wheel. This was why like this will be safe to come into play, the iron mover or the degreaser. But since we have the iron mover, we're going to see how it reacts. So after we're done hitting the wheel, now it's time to rinse it down. So after done hitting the wheel, I'm gonna come through and dry it off. All right, so this is the iron mover side. As you see in the lug nuts right there, there's still some brake dust, and on this area right here, a lot of brake dust in like little areas. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about the iron mover? Drop it down in the comments below. What is your best iron mover out there so I could try it? Now I'm gonna get to my thoughts about these wheel cleaners. All right guys, so I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about these wheel cleaners. So an acidic wheel cleaner is a mandatory thing that you must have in your arsenal, because there are times when it be wheels that are super caked and there's nothing you can do besides using acid. And also the acid, you could also make it into a water spot remover, and just it's a really economical product, and also not too expensive and very effective. But the con about this product is it can damage wheels pretty fast if you're not knowing how to use the wheel cleaner. What I think about the iron mover is really safe for any wheel out there as possible. It's not gonna stain anything, not to cause any damage, but the only con is you have to do more agitation in the wheel. You gotta make sure you hit every single nook and cranny in the wheel, because if you don't, then you will see on the last clip I had that the wheel had a little bit of brake dust here and there, and just overall, you have to do a little bit more work when using the iron remover compared to the acidic wheel cleaner. The acidic wheel cleaner, whatever it touches, it can break down pretty fast, such as brake dust. So a lot of the hard work is just going to be from just spraying it and rinsing it off, basically. But other than that, let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about any of these wheel cleaners? I'd love to hear you guys' comments down below. Other than that, guys, we're wrapping up the video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.